The HoverMatt Half-Matt is designed for use during surgical procedures in which the patient will be in the lithotomy position, such as OBGYN or urologic procedures. You should have at least 3 caregivers present to assist with a half-mat transfer. This video will demonstrate a lateral transfer onto the OR table. The half-mat should be positioned so that the end of it comes slightly below the patient's buttocks. One caregiver should be positioned at the head end beside the patient, while another caregiver is at the patient's feet and the third caregiver is positioned beside the receiving surface. The caregiver closest to the patient should ensure that the patient's body is centered on the half-mat with safety strap attached. The caregiver should then assume the position of safety and give the signal to the caregiver at the foot end to inflate the half-mat by pressing the air supply button appropriate to the half-mat's width. The caregiver at the foot end will cradle the patient's ankles and feet as the caregiver located next to the patient begins pushing the half-mat at a slight angle onto the receiving surface. The caregiver holding the patient's ankles and feet should move with the HoverMatt to facilitate a smooth transfer. Once positioned and centered on the receiving surface, the caregiver on the receiving side of the half-mat should assume the position of safety and have the caregiver at the foot end press the air supply standby button to stop airflow. The half-mat can then remain with the patient or be removed prior to going to PACU. Please refer to the HoverMatt user manual for more information.